My name is Scott Schladweiler, Deputy Director at Tucson Water, and today we want to talk a little bit about the infrastructure that we use to deliver safe, reliable drinking water to our customers. We delivered almost 27.5 billion gallons of water through a network of almost 5,000 miles of pipelines. Those pipelines range in size from 3/4 of an inch all the way up to 96 inches in diameter and range in age from just installed yesterday to well over 70 years old. Over time, through normal wear and tear, as well as other environmental conditions, all pipelines will require some form of maintenance. For many of our smaller diameter pipelines, such as neighborhood main replacements or any other small main replacements we may have throughout the system, complete replacement is often the most cost-effective solution to continued reliable service. For some of our more critical large diameter pipelines, we have a preventative maintenance program called the Pipeline Protection Program, where we actually monitor pipeline status 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The large diameter pipelines are often cost prohibitive to replace, but through constant monitoring and planned outages, we can eliminate downtime and costly repairs and replacement. As an example, we just completed the repair on a 54-inch pre-stressed concrete cylinder pipe in Columbus. This project included what was called carbon fiber reinforced polymer repair, which provides a complete structural rehabilitation of that pipeline for that specific section. It takes a dedicated staff working around the clock to make sure our infrastructure is consistently maintained in order to deliver safe, reliable drinking water to our customers.